stop wasting your time looking at, pointless communities that you're not gonna move to in Hemet, California. In this video, I'm gonna be touring a brand new community, beautiful master plan with lots to offer. So you definitely don't wanna miss out, because I'm gonna show you some different houses in different price points. And at the end, you're gonna gauge whether or not if this community is for you and your family. So stay tuned, because we're gonna get after it right now. So we're gonna get right to it. And so here we are in the community. And like I mentioned, a lot of amenities. And as you can see to the left of me, or the right, if you're watching this video, right? You have here kind of their barn dominium, maybe? Is that what they call it? It's their clubhouse where they actually have a full-size gym, not those little apartment gyms that has, 3 pieces of equipment. It's really like a full-size gym, clubhouse. You got some cool amenities in there, but not to mention the cool amenities here, where you have this full-size pool. You have some barbecue pits over here on the side, a little gazebo where you can bring your kids, your friends, your family, have a party, right? There's so much to enjoy in this community, not to mention the basketball courts, the sports park, right? Upcoming dog parks. Now, full transparency, there is HOA in this community, which is roughly about $190 a month. But you get all of this. So it's not like you're wasting just $190 a month, like some communities where they don't give you anything. They absolutely give you a lot here. Walking trails, little pocket parks throughout the community, which is, I think, extremely, having kids myself, I think it's just a plus, an added plus where you can, hey, let's go to the little park and throw a baseball, let's go kick the soccer ball, let's go throw a frisbee, have a picnic, whatever you like to do, or just get out and about and walk. So that's one great feature about this community, is that you get to do all of these things. And so let me try to turn my back. You can kind of see right here where you have one of those little open areas where you can, play around and throw a frisbee, kick a soccer ball. My kids, they're in soccer, so this would be ideal. We put a little soccer net up here and kick that soccer ball, right? Or enjoy the walking trail like I'm currently on, sit in a bench, look at my dog go catch a frisbee, because I also have a dog, right? But if you don't have a dog, then that's okay. There's other things that you can do here as well. You can enjoy the scenery because it's surrounded by beautiful mountains. And what I do love about having the amenities out here, right? My personal opinion is I love it because it's a little bit secluded from the homes itself. So in some communities, what they do is they stick all this right dab in the middle, in the center of community, where it can be a little bit rowdy, a little bit noisy, right? And sometimes it's an inconvenience, sometimes. Now it is convenience because it's right there and you can walk to it. Well, in this case, it's secluded from the homes, and you do have to drive here just a tad bit, or walk here a little bit just to get to these awesome resort style amenities, which is not necessarily a bad thing. Personally, I think that's how it should be. So you can actually get out of your house and spend quality time with your friends, your family, or yourself, right? So that's, again, just an added bonus. Now, what I really want to do is I want to get into the nitty and gritty and show you some of these beautiful houses that they have to offer. Again, all under $500,000, which is extremely rare here in Southern California. Now, I'm going to be telling you these houses are going to look amazing. You're gonna love them just like I do, right? Because we all know this, Southern California can be extremely unaffordable. And so that's just an added plus, like, hey, I can find an area that's, really quiet, nice, secluded, surrounded by beautiful scenery, where you can just enjoy the day and actually enjoy the place that you call home. And so I really want to get into that. Now, if this is your first time to this channel and you want to know everything that there is about living, eating, breathing, playing in Hemet, California, you can definitely subscribe below or tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the, current market here in Hemet, California. Now, my name is Jonathan. We get calls, texts, emails every single day from people just like you looking to make their move. And you know what? We absolutely love it. So if you are deciding to make a move within 9 days or 90 days, you could always give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We'll love to help you guys make that move to Hemet, California. Now let's go on to house number 1. So this home right behind me is currently for sale, starting in the mid 400s, 450, right? Now this one does have 1,412 square feet, and it is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's go check this one out. So as soon as you walk in, just wow, right? So this one, just open floor plan like all of them, and you're gonna see throughout this video how open it really is. Now I'm gonna start off here on the right is where you do have that first bedroom. So here's that first bedroom, and I'm gonna tell you instantly, I mean, the decor itself is amazing, right? And the room just feels so big because it has that 9-foot ceiling and this 9-foot doorway. There is also this full bath right here as soon as you enter. So if you do have guests and you like to entertain, perfect area. Now I'm kind of walking towards more along the kitchen, but before I get there, now this one is a 2 to 3 bed option. Should have said that. Well, they have this opening right here. It's kind of more of a den. Now this right here is where that 3rd bedroom would be. They add a closet to it, they put a wall up right here, and boom, there is your 3rd bedroom. Now check this out. Look at this beautiful kitchen and this beautiful living area. Now, personally, I love the taste because it's similar to how my house looks. I have kind of this darkish oak, except I have black handles instead of silver. I'm telling you guys a lot. No, but this kitchen is amazing with the backsplash and the nice lights under it with the stainless steel appliances. I mean, it just looks phenomenal. I love the quartz countertop on it. Now check this out. Open floor plan, open layout. They even had like this amazing big sliding door added to, you know, just add that contrast and all that natural lighting as well. And you can kind of see outside. They do have that covered patio as well. So that's a really cool and neat feature. Now I really don't showcase the backyard because it's subject to change for every single house. And so this right here is just straight phenomenal, okay? Now we're gonna go into that master. Before I do, I wanna show you, you do have your laundry room right here in between that living room and that master bedroom, primary bedroom. You know, there's always switching the verbiage in homes, right? So here we are into the master. Look at this. Now this is like a king size bed. So it's a pretty big bed and it fits, you know, nice in, you know, it's pretty easy to fit into this bedroom. So really good size. Now walking into that walk-in closet. Hello, walk-in closet. You see this, everybody? This little shelf right there and that little shelf, that's for me. And then this big old side right here, that's for her. All right, so enough. I'm just making jokes today. All right, so we're gonna be walking into that master bath where you have the double sinks, and then you also have your, you know, stand-up shower there, you know, water closet, and then a little nook area here where you can put some other stuff that you need to put in there. So really nice feature. So that right there is what you can get in Hemet, California for the mid 400s. So starting 450 onto the second home. So here we are at the second home. Now the first one is going to be hard to beat, to be quite honest. Well, this one for the price, actually, it might not be too hard. So this one right here, starting in the 464 range, all right? Now this one is 1,590 square feet and it's a 3-bed, 2-bath. While the first one was a 2 to 3 bedroom option, this one is a 3-bedroom with almost 1,600 square feet. Let's go check this one out. So here we are inside the second home and not too far off the first one, just spectacular. Now, again, I'm gonna start off here in the front into that first bedroom and just amazing. What I love is there's so much open lighting. It just makes everything feel so bright. You know, not to mention they do have, you know, white walls and stuff like that, but this is a great floor plan, great room. And then immediately here, again, you have that full bath slash, you know, guest bath if you have people, or yeah, guest bath if you have people over. And now right in front of that first bedroom, you do have your second bedroom right across from it, which these are good, decent sizes. So, you know, if you have some children, these would probably be ideal, or these are good guest size rooms as well. So, you know, you don't have any children and you just have extra bedrooms, good for offices or good for guests. All right, now walking down the hall from the house, you can see the front door. As I walk to the right, what I love that differentiates the second home from the first one is you get a bigger laundry area. Now walking into the laundry area, you're gonna see kind of, you know, some maybe linen cabinets is what I would like to say. Also, don't forget about your coat closet and utility closet, but it has a bigger laundry room. So if you do a lot of clothes, right, and you like to fold, you can have your cabinets up here and your wash station right there. It's just a bigger laundry room, which is, you know, it's a nice added feature. Now walking into what you guys want to see, let me show you what the living room looks like first before I show you this beautiful kitchen. Again, still a very open floor plan here. So this is the living room area, and then kind of more of a formal dining room here. You guys want to see the kitchen. And then you got the kitchen right behind me. Now this kitchen, man, it's just beautiful, nice white. I did want to point out, I love how they did this right here. It's just a really great touch to add the stone here right next to that fireplace. But anyways, tangent there. This right here, all right. I love the white on white with the silver. It's just very elegant, very classy, sophisticated. You do have a small pantry here as well, where you can walk into it, you know, and put your little knickknacks in there that you need to, snacks or protein or whatever you like to do, right? But again, just a really nice, amazing kitchen, amazing open floor plan. So this one, you know, is not kind of all together like the first one was. They kind of separated more of the dining, which is more formal, which it's really nice, with the kitchen and living room area. Now, just like the last home, this is amazing right here. Just so much glass, so much natural lighting right there with this big old sliding door, the double sliding door that they have. Now let's move on to that master bedroom. So this master bedroom, just like the last one, really great size. I feel like in this one, there's more natural lighting than the first one for sure, just because they have the 3 windows here. But this is like a king size bed again, and you still have plenty of room to do your Pilates, right? Or whatever you do. Now, this bathroom, all right? This bathroom, kind of similar to the first one, but you still have your walk-in right here. Really nice. I love the flooring that they have as well here. So this is an option to add on if you wanted to. Just like the first, you have the his and her sink. You actually have your own linen closet in this one. In the other one, remember that little storage area in the corner? That's what they had going on there. Water toilet or toilet, right? And your walk-in closet. So this is a lot more fair walk-in closet. They don't have little itty bitty shelves for people like me, right? So this is a good size closet. So this right here in Hemet, California, is gonna run you starting in the 460s. So 460s, right? Compared to the first one, 450s, I'm kind of thinking to myself, it's a no-brainer. I would choose this one all day. But that right there is what you can get in Hemet, California for 460. So if you wanna know more, definitely you can comment down below, or shoot me a call, or give me a text, or give me a call, shoot me a text. I usually say that reverse. Now let's head on to the third home. So here we are at the last home, as you can see right behind me. Now this one is starting at 475, 475, so 25 grand more than the first home. Now this one right behind me does have 1,750 square feet, and this one is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. So let's go check this one out. So here we are in the 4-bedroom, the biggest model at 475 starting. Now, like I do all of them, let's start off as you enter and come into this first bedroom, which this one is currently converted into kind of an office. But look at this, beautiful office. So if you don't want that 4th bedroom and you want an office instead, that is optional, where they leave, you know, the door wide open, they don't add a closet, and you get an office instead. So it can be a 3-bed with a den or flex room, whatever you want to call it, right? Just like this is set up, or you can have that option for that 4th bedroom. Now, right outside this, in the first ones you had immediately the bath. Here, it's a little bit better. They actually have the washer and dryer up in the front. So the washer and dryer doesn't have that wash station like the second home does. However, they have the washer and dryer up in the front, so they're not in the garage like they usually are. Coat closet right here in the front as well, which makes perfect sense. Now, this is the most open, elongated, open floor plan that we're gonna see. So let me just show you. You kind of see how it just goes all the way and flows down to the end. Look at this beautiful, beautiful kitchen. So I feel this is more of a farmhouse style type of look with the white on black and how, you know, elegant those handles are. But this is still nonetheless a beautiful, beautiful kitchen, right? And they moved kind of away from that formal dining where they still made the dining right after, which makes perfect sense, but does feel like you have bigger living space here. So, I mean, 1,750 square feet, you know, you're gonna feel a little bit of a difference. And so it is more open where, hey, if you had a Thanksgiving dinner, that would be ideal to have the cooking and then people eat and then come out here and hang out. And if they wanted to transition to the outside, again, they could in this double sliding doorway. Now let's go on to the second and third bedroom, which is in comparison to the first bedroom, we kind of walk down the hall. It's not all the way down, but it's right in the middle, which is really nice. It kind of separates you from the master. So walking down, there's a garage right there, is you're walking into that second bedroom, which again, great sizes, especially if you have kids or just guest rooms, right? Or you can just make them into more offices. These are great size, standard rooms. And right next to this one, you got the other one. So you got twins, put them right next to each other. I'm just kidding. Well, not really. So here is that third bedroom. Again, all great sizes, you know, standard closets. Well, what I like about this one is you have that bath right in front of the bedrooms. So it is a little bit secluded, which is actually still really nice because this bathroom is actually right across the hall from the living area, right? And it's not at the front of the entrance of the house. And so let's go see what this master looks like because this is the biggest one of them all. All right, so walking into the master, instantly already love it. So you have immediately to the left, your walk-in closet, which is really nice. Here's your walk-in closet. And then you have your master bath right before you even get into the room, which is really neat. So here it is. So there would be a door right here for the privacy once someone's showering or using that the toilet. And then you have the beautiful his and her sink. And then you got the master. Look at that, just pure amazing. I like the way that this one is set up a little bit because as soon as you enter, you have the closet and then you have the bathroom. So that right there is what you can get in Hemet, California for $470, $475 starting. So that's gonna wrap up this video with all three homes. Now what I'm gonna do is share a little market recap. That way you can kind of understand Hemet a little bit better. So let's go on to the market recap. So market recap time. Overall, all these houses are just spectacular. They have lots to offer, and in this community here, you have a variety of options. And like I mentioned, you do have that HOA with amazing amenities. Yes, there is an HOA monthly fee that you do have to pay, roughly $190, $194, right? However, it includes everything that you want in a community anyways. The pool, the clubhouse, an actual gym, right? Other amenities within that clubhouse. You have the parks, you have picnic tables, barbecue grills, upcoming dog park that they're gonna have, basketball courts, another sports park, walking trails. There's just a lot to offer. And so and I firmly believe this community is one of the gems within Hemet, California, here in Riverside County. Now, this is one of the more affordable communities that is still under 500,000. There's not a lot of whole communities here in the Inland Empire under 500,000. Well, this is one of them. And when I tell you, it won't be under 500 forever, it just won't be, because that's how house prices are trending right now. So if this is something that you think would be ideal for you and your family, again, you can always reach out to us, shoot us a call, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, schedule a Zoom down below. We'll love to help you make that smooth move to Hemet, California.